Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove bad photos from Instagram search page. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to open my search page. I'm going to go to the search page, and let's say that this is a bad photo and I'm going to remove it from my search page. So we're going to click on the photo and then click on these three dots, and we're going to click on not interested. Okay, and after that the photo or the post will be hidden from our search page, and here we'll be able to select some options done, such as post with certain words, manage content preferences, or this post made me uncomfortable. And I recommend you to choose this one, manage content preferences. Okay, and you are going to go to the sensitive content. Okay, then you have to select more. Okay, and click on confirm. It will help you to remove bad photos from your Instagram search page. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove bad photos from Instagram search page. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.